What's going on, guys? It's your homies over here today, bringing you guys a brand new video. Now in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get the quote-unquote god res that all the pros are using. But before this video starts, I really do want to let you guys know that there is not one singular res that all the pros are using. It varies by monitor and by PC specs. There's no singular res. It's all about what gets you the least amount of input delay, and that's what we're going to be figuring out for you guys in this video. Now if this does help you at all, make sure you use code Zofer in the Fortnite item shop. It really does help me out a lot, and I really appreciate it, guys. Much love. First thing you're going to want to do is download the link that I have in the description. It's going to have this folder, but it's going to come out as a RAR, so make sure you extract it to your desktop. It's going to have all these things in it, and they are very important. And I just want to remind you guys, if you are on a laptop, do not do this. It may really mess up your laptop in the long run, and you do not want to do it. First thing we're going to do here, we're just going to right click and do NVIDIA control panel. We're going to come down here to adjust desktop size and position. We're going to click no scaling. And then if you have the display option, put it on display, but if it's on GPU, that's fine. We're going to click apply. Alrighty, now that that's done, we're going to close that out, open our folder, we're going to click CRU, yes, come up here, whichever one is your gaming monitor right here, guys, the one that's your gaming monitor is the one that we're going to click here, guys. So for me, the Alienware is my gaming monitor, the Dell, it shows up as Dell, but it's an Alienware monitor, that's my gaming monitor, so that's the one we're going to use. We're going to click on this right here, we're going to click delete, we're going to click add, we're going to put it on automatic LCD reduced. And then here, we're going to keep it native for now. We're going to come down here and type 240. Now keep in mind, guys, if you're on a 144 hertz or a 60 hertz, you're just going to do the same thing, but with 144 or 60. And then we're going to come up here and we're going to put in 1750. So now what you guys are going to realize is when I put in 1750, my refresh rate here says 240. My refresh rate here says 240.003. So the problem with this right here is the fact that I'm getting input delay because these numbers don't match up. To get your god res, you need these numbers to match up. Some of you guys, it will match up on 1750. That means that 1750 does not have input delay for you, but for you other guys that don't have it matched at 240, you guys are still going to have input delay. So what I like to do, I drop it down from 1750. So let's just say I'll go 1748. All right, still not matched up. We'll go 1746. Still not matched up, but very close. 1744. Still not matched up. And then we'll go 1742. And see, now my numbers are equal, guys. You can also go by ones. I just like to go by twos. The other one that works for me is 1749. That one works for me, but I personally like 1742 better, in my opinion. So basically, just lower the number from 1750 until 240 and 240 match up. Now we're gonna click OK. We're gonna come down here, click delete all. We're gonna click add. And we're gonna open this up and go down to 1920 by 1080. You can keep the refresh rate at 60 hertz. It does not matter. And we're gonna click OK. We're going to click this right here. We're going to click edit. Click this right here. Delete, delete, delete. Keep the data blocks. You guys need to keep those. Going to click OK. We're going to click on the left side here. And we're going to click none. And then we're going to click OK one more time. Now this next step, we're going to click restart 64. Your screen may turn black in the process of doing this, guys. Remember, if that happens, I have something linked down in the description that will show you what to do to get out of it. I've had friends that all they had to do was restart their computer and the black screen went away, but for me that did not work. So if your screen does go black, you're gonna have to launch in safe mode. There's a link in the description that has instructions that tells you how to do that. But we're gonna click restart 64. All right, now that we have done the restart 64, it's gonna look like you're on 60 hertz, guys. All right, don't worry about that. We're gonna right click on the desktop. We're gonna go display settings. We're gonna scroll down here until you see advanced display settings. We're gonna do display adapter properties for display 1. List all modes. We're going to scroll down here until we see your res that you just created, minus 1742 by 1080. So click OK, apply, keep changes, OK. And now we are on the stretch res, guys. Last but not least, we're going to open our Fortnite settings. Percent app data, percent app data, local, Fortnite game, saved, config, Windows client. Game user settings. Make sure that read only is off here, guys. You do not need read only on. We're gonna click edit. And we're gonna scroll down until we see our res here. Make sure that everything is on 1920, guys. You need to make sure everything is on 1920. Another thing I like to do to decrease the input delay a little bit, I do B disable mouse acceleration here. I make this true. And then we're gonna do file, save. Close that out. And now your game is on stretch res, guys. I'll start it up for you guys so you can see what it looks like. All right, now, and as you guys can see, I am in stretch res. So what everything looks like, click here, 1742 by 1080, full screen. But yeah, that is how to get the God res on Fortnite, guys. Remember, if this video did help you, make sure you guys use code ZOFR in the Fortnite item shop. Leave a like, subscribe if you want to watch some highlight videos, and maybe some more tutorials like this. Everything really helps out a lot, guys. I love the support lately. It has been so good. I appreciate you guys so much, and I do hope you guys have a good night. Much love, baby. Peace out.